Well, the Reserve Bank of Australia once again elected to pause in their rate hiking cycle, and this afternoon decided to leave the official cash rate at 4.1%. So that was a pretty important meeting. I think a lot of people, a lot of borrowers that we see are really feeling the pinch in relation to coming off some very low fixed interest rate loans and moving on to variable rates, which are, quite often 3 times higher than the interest rate they've currently been paying. So there's a bit of pain coming through. The June consumer spending numbers are pretty indicative of what's being felt, I think, by people. They're very weak. Sentiment numbers are very weak. But inflation is still too high, and obviously it's services inflation that's contributing to that in the most meaningful way. It's quite sticky, whereas goods inflation is coming down. Overall inflation is coming down, and I think that's probably good news for the RBA and good news for Australian borrowers, for mortgage holders. So, we're moving in the right direction, and I'm sure a lot of people will be very pleased that the RBA did not decide to lift rates again today by 25 basis points. And that was still, I think, a pretty much a line ball call. The market's got it right this time. They were predicting that rates would remain on hold, and they have. So we can all breathe a sigh of relief, certainly for now. Philip Lowe obviously said that in relation to seeing how the data pans out going forward, that there may be some necessity for further tightening, for further increases in the official cash rate, and that will just be data dependent. So I think it's good news. This is just to let everyone know that we're certainly happy with the outcome for now for all of our clients. And if anyone has any questions or queries in relation to their own situation, please don't hesitate to reach out, email us or call us. We'll have somebody contact you and see if we can't assist you with your own set of affairs. I'm Andrew Unterweger, and I'll actually see you at next week's Q&A.